Hey everybody, welcome back to JDM World. I was working on installing a new 5.1 system downstairs from Starke Sound, and I discovered that I really need some speaker stands. So I had taken the new little small speakers and sat on top of my older ones, but then when I got ready to remove the older ones, guess what? Nothing to hold up the new speakers. So I went out and took a look around, and I found a set of speaker stands from Sanus, the HTBS model. And this is just a quick before and after to see what it looks like when you take these Starke Sound Echo 5.1 satellite speakers and mount them on this particular speaker stand. To get us started, this is a quick little snippet of what I had going on before. So as you can see, I've got a couple of tower speakers, and those are Definitive Technology BP6s. Had those for a while, and the idea here is to replace those with the new Starke Sound Echoes that I have. So when I pull those out, there's no mystical power to levitate those speakers, so I need some speaker stands. So I picked up a set of Sanus speakers from Amazon, and let's take a look at those and see what they look like. This is a little refresher to remind you how the Echo speaker will connect to the stand. So on the back, there's a single screw, right? And this is included with the Echo speaker itself. And all you really need to do is use that to take that out and then attach it to the speaker stand once you have it put together. So as you can see, this is fairly standard fare for speaker stands. A couple of bases, two pieces of extension tubing for the speaker. Now at the top, since this is the small style, it's got the bend back to center the center of gravity of the speaker over the stand. You need to put felt bottom tips on the stand, and there are like 8 of them. It takes a while and it's kind of hard, especially if you don't have nails. After that though, it's really straightforward. Figure out which side is the bottom of the bottom piece of the pole, and pull your sticker off, and you'll screw that in. Once you've got that in nice and tight, then you're going to assemble the top piece, and there's a L bracket. There are actually 3 different kind of brackets that you can use depending on what type of speaker that you have. The L bracket is perfect for this scenario since it's going to be a single screw that attaches to the back of the speaker to hold this on. There's also a platform style and then a T style as well. So once you've got that screwed on, and there's a single screw that holds the L bracket on, you'll take the screw out of the back of the Echo itself, and then reuse that screw to attach it to the bracket on the speaker stand, as you see here in the screen. Once you have that done, the last step is to connect both of your posts together. So stand that upright, and then you'll slip that top part into the bottom part, and the coupling will slide down, and then you'll just screw that on. And this is what things look like once everything is put together. You can hide some 16 gauge speaker wire inside of the stands. They take up much less space than the old towers. I'm going to pull these out a foot or so further to expand the soundstage a little bit, but I think it really makes a beautiful statement.